Welcome to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. In this episode, we'll be doing chicken thighs, boneless style. So here I got my chicken, and today I'm going to be using Grill Mates seasoning. Now, it smells pretty damn good though. So, go ahead and add this.
What kind of flavor is the Grill Mates though?
So the brand Grill Mates, they make a lot of different seasonings. They make another one that we like is the mesquite. That one's really good. This one is barbecue, and they have many different flavors seasoning, and they're all pretty damn good. So we got this. Let's get it real in there. And there we go. All set up. That look good. So I'm gonna go turn on the Traeger at 375 degrees. We're gonna cook this for 30 minutes. I'm gonna flip them at the 15 minute mark, and we'll go from there. So I'm about to turn on my Traeger, but I gotta make sure I have enough pellets in there. It's a little low. Add some more. Alright. That should be enough for this one. And so what you want to do is always turn it on smoke for the first stage, and it's not turning on. I forgot to plug it in on the inside. I'll be back. Alright, now that it's plugged in, there's the on and off, and then turn it on smoke. And so I'm gonna leave this, you have to leave this open, and then you'll see a lot of smoke, and once the smoke fades away, then I close the lid and turn the heat up to 375. And here we go. So there's what I was telling you guys, that you gotta put it on smoke, let it smoke like this, and pretty much what we're waiting for right now is for the smoke to kind of clear, to stop. That means it's ready, and we can change the temperature to 375 and close the lid for 10 to 15 minutes to preheat. But this is how it's gonna look. Right now it's just on smoke setting, and it's getting ready, and slowly you'll see the smoke fade away, and that means it's ready. So now the smoke has cleared, and so now what we're going to do is close the lid and turn the knob to 375. 475. 375. There we go. 375. We give it about 10 to 15 minutes, and we add the chicken. So now that the temperature is up, put the probe in. Add them in there. We're waiting for the internal temperature to be 165. So at 15-minute mark, I'm going to flip them just to get that grill mark on both sides, and then 30 minutes should be enough. Let's see. So it's been in there for 15 minutes. And that's how they look. So now I'm gonna flip them and do another 15. They smell good. Temperature right here, 165 is the goal. The waiting continues. So my thermometer started to beep, saying it's at 165. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Good. So ready to come off. We'll see them inside. So now the chicken is done. Let's see, it looks juicy. So look at that. Let's open it. See how it looks. Look at that. It has the stuff around it is called the smoke ring. It doesn't have a lot because it wasn't there for a long time. But look at that. This juicy chicken. There it is. Yeah, let's pick a little piece. This will do. A little piece. I didn't get the whole flavor. Wait, hold on. Wow. Wow. So, little thing. There's a lot of you that don't have a smoker. You guys don't have a traeger. If you guys are looking into it, ladies, get your boyfriend, your husbands, have them look into a traeger. It makes life easier on grilling. If they like to grill, if you guys grill a lot, all you guys out there, if you like grilling, smoking, it's a game changer. I never knew about the whole smoking or traeger, anything like that, until I got one. And I tried it and it was like, wow. I mean, it's just easy. Once you learn it, you can make anything. Anything. So, if you don't know what you're looking for, there's cheap. There's Oklahoma Joe's is a brand that's pretty cheap. I think they're like 200 and something. There's Pit Boss that you'll find those at Walmart. Also pretty cheap. The one that I got is a Traeger brand, the Little Texas Elite. And then they have the most expensive ones that are nice. There's some expensive nice ones too. But look into that and see how you guys like it. But other than that, it just makes everything a lot easier. So make sure you guys look into this because it makes grilling better. Oh, the whole smoke flavor, it's great. So this is for this video of episode 5 videos in. If you guys haven't looked at episode 1, 2, or 3, check those out, and 4. And then get ready for episode 5. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the channel. There's more coming ahead. I got a lot of big plans. Might do have new projects with somebody to join. Keep on the lookout for that one coming soon, hopefully. We'll see you next time.